need to step back at least 6 feet. Okay, because this thing went wild earlier. And only one tragedy. One conqueror was on the front. He took the answer. Okay, I'm going to ask you guys to move back, please. This thing was not this one. Alright, there we go. Now, the louder you guys cheer, that guy right there in the hat, right there, this guy can make this car happen. This is Mr. Sweet. We'll try to flip it again. Now, let's see if we can flip the truck again. Get ready. We need you guys to step down. This thing, we're going to flip them over.
Oh, that goes.
We need you to put your hands together and make some noise for this serious stuff. We can go. Watch it now. He's going to flip this truck. On his side. Everything you get your girlfriend in there, she's giving you heat, and you like dump her out on a car. There you go, flip them. Okay, bring it back, bring it back. Gonna try and flip it over again. Bring up the left again. There you go, Rob. Alright, flip this truck.
Oh, I missed it. I missed that.
Alright, let's see if we can do it on this one. This is how you get through traffic sideways between the guardrail and the car. Hey, I'm not driving around, okay? Alright, here we go. What are you guys gonna do now? What you guys gonna do? Your balance has to be in by 3 o'clock. What's the judge? How many? I need 10.